What if I told you that your toes could reveal whether you are at risk of early death? Sounds surprising, right? Changes in your feet and toes can be warning sign of serious health problem like stroke, heart disease, diabetes, and poor circulation. In this video, I'm going to show you the 6 deadly toe signs that seniors must not ignore. If you are over 50, keep watching. One look at your toe might just save your life. Your feet are the farthest from your heart. When blood flow weakens, toes shows damage first. Harvard studies confirms toe abnormality predict 5 years mortality 3 times better than blood test alone. These signs expose clogged artery, peripheral artery disease, nerve death, diabetic neuropathy, organ failure, kidney and liver disease. Ignore them and your risk of sudden death skyrocket. Numbness or tingling in your feet. This is the first deadly sign. This often feel like pins and needle or like your toes are asleep. It is not just poor posture. This could be a sign of peripheral neuropathy from diabetes, poor blood flow, or even nerve damage from spinal issue. Left untreated, this condition can lead to foot ulcer, infection, and amputation, especially in diabetic senior. If you frequently feel tingling or numbness, don't ignore it. See a doctor immediately. Discolored toenail or dark spot. This is the second one. Dark line, black spot or yellow discoloration on your toes. Your toenail should be pink and healthy, but if they are yellow and thick, this could mean fungal infection or circulation issues. Dark with stripes or spots. This could even signal skin cancer under the nails. Blue or purple toes. This could mean oxygen deprivation or poor heart circulation. Never ignore changes in nail color. It could be your body crying for help. Cold toe, even when the weather is warm. Third sign, cold toes even when you are not in a cold environment. This is a classic sign of poor blood circulation, often due to peripheral artery disease, heart failure, or clogged arteries. When blood doesn't reach your feet properly, your toes becomes cold, numb, and pale. Peripheral artery disease is a serious condition and it doubles your risk of stroke and heart attack. If your toes are always cold, get your circulation in check. Swelling or puffy toes. Swelling in your toes, feet, or ankle. Why this can sometimes happen from standing too long. Chronic swelling may be a red flag for heart failure, kidney disease, venous insufficiency, where veins fail to pump blood back up. If your shoes suddenly feel tight or your feet look puffy every day, this could be your body returning fluid. This sign needs immediate medical attention. Open sores or wounds that don't heal fast. This is the 5th one and it is very dangerous. Sores or cuts on your toes that don't heal within a week. This is common in people with type 2 diabetes and it signals nerve damage and poor blood flow. This slow healing wound can easily get infected, leading to tissue death, gangrene or amputation, and increased risk of sepsis and death. Seniors, always inspect your feet and toes. If you see a wound, that is not improving at first, misshapen toes or toe deformities. This is the sixth one. Misshapen toes, cruel toe or bent toes. Conditions like hammer toes, cruel toe or painful bunions. This can signal underlying neurological disorder, muscle weakness, or chronic inflammation. If your toes are coiling unnaturally or you find it painful to walk, you may be at higher risk of falls, infection, and mobility loss, all of which shorten life expectancy in seniors. Bonus warning: smoking and poor circulation. If you are smoking, you are damaging your feet. Smoking narrows arteries, thickens blood, and reduces oxygen flow. This can cause cold toes, numbness, non-healing wounds, increased risk of peripheral artery disease, and stroke. Quitting smoking improves circulation and saves life. What seniors should do? Now, you might be wondering, what can I do if I notice any of these signs? Here is what you can start doing from today. Inspect your feet daily, especially if you are diabetic or over 60. Wear comfortable, non-restrictive shoes. Manage your blood sugar and blood pressure. Exercise to improve circulation. Even walking helps. Talk to your doctor about any food changes immediately. Remember, your toes are messenger. They tell you what is happening deep inside your body. Don't ignore the sign. Leg elevation tips. Here is the simple habit that can help. Elevate your legs on a pillow for 15 to 20 minutes daily. This improves blood flow, reduces swelling, and relieves pressure from veins. Small habit, big result. Simple foot exercise. Try this daily. Move to strengthen your feet and improve circulation. Towel scrunchies. Use your toe to scrunch a towel on the floor. Marble pick up. Pick up marbles or coins with your toe. 15 minutes barefoot. Walk barefoot on soft surface to engage foot muscle and improve balance. This move protects your feet and improve overall health. In conclusion, to all my senior viewers, a simple toe shake could help detect deadly disease early, improve your health, and extend your life. Please, don't ignore your feet. What looks small on the outside may be a major red flag on the inside. Check your feet daily. Take actions if you notice any of these signs. Quit smoking. Elevate your legs. Move your feet. This small step can add years to your life. Indeed, learning never ends. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.